Check it out. 2013 Ram 5500. It's a standard cab, but it's a chassis cab truck, and it's got a utility body on it. And then we had towing a little Magnum light generator. So we got a tower light, and we got Dodge, or actually at this point it was Ram. We took it away, so now it's a Ram in a 5500 series. It's gonna have some badging on it that's gonna say it's the Cummins version, and when we look at underneath, it's gonna have 4-wheel drive setup. So yeah, big brute truck. Yep. Base equipment. It's got the fender flares. 5500 trucks had this bigger axle, so it's kind of stuck out. You know, more than your 1-ton, your 2500 single and dualies didn't have that heavier capacity, but this one does, and it is 4-wheel drive. It's a black grille. It's got lens detail there. Very nice, very nice. You can see the molding on the body is really well done. Got a white paint. It's very clean. It's got the 2-tone Chrysler interior. It's got the towing mirrors, the big extended heavy-duty mirrors. It's got a step bar with even the foot tread molded, and that's separate. And then you can see the scripting on the body. You got your Cummins, and then you got your Ram badge. Let's see if I can hold it a little bit steadier. There we go. United Rentals, got your DOT number. So yeah, the decaling and the tampoing is really good. It's got your little beacon up there, a little light to tell people you're working on stuff, and then you got your little side light there. The air compressor up top. And that's actually like a hooded top, that diamond plate. We'll look at that. Truck had rubber tires. Everything on the truck is plastic except the body. So the white body here, that's metal. It's a closed body, nothing opens on it, but the molding is great. And I haven't really been able to find First Gear making this truck anywhere else. So it might be a one and done, or because this one really came out a long time ago, about 13. I got it when it came out. I got a good deal on it. But now they just, if you find them, they're just crazy money. But probably because they haven't made too many of these Rams. They're out there. People sometimes sell them. You might be able to find them. They have the painted taillights on there, but it looks real sharp. And it has that black surrounding on the taillight. Looks like that rubber that goes around in that gasket. And modern trucks with these utility bodies are going to more of like an anti-skid material for the steps, so they paint that flat black on the model. But in real life, that's like a sandpaper type feel. And you got your little vise that they have on there. There's your hitch. It's supposed to be a ball setup, but they have it kind of reversed where they get the male end on the trailer, but should have a ball right there. That's okay. So it has a heavy hitch on it, and it's got a little step for you to get in the bed. Everything's done real well. This is 1/34 scale, so it's First Gear's traditional scaling that they've kind of not done so much recently. They've been going to the 1/64th, 150, and 1/25 scales, but they're still putting out 1/34th. And this will look good with my other trucks. We'll probably take a look at those trucks soon. I got some oldies that maybe somebody wants to take a better look at, so we'll look at those. It's the rear 3/4 view. You can see again, it looks really cool with those wheels sticking out in the front. That really denotes that it's a heavy truck that Ram made that year. And we'll look underneath. You'll see the bed actually here. We'll look at this real quick. Yeah, that area under there, you can see. You can kind of cover up your stuff under there. Thought that was kind of interesting. And then this side has your tackle box type setup up top. And mud flaps, and you got your single exhaust. You got your inline 6 Cummins, kind of the automatic right there. And there's your solid axle on the front, 4-wheel drive. And you got your heavy rear end with the duals. And it's got those kind of those highway tires that these trucks use with that thinner sidewall. It's got a heavy PSI, so it has that new modern type tire setup that they're using. Black grill. They did it really good. Ram for that year was a good looking truck. And then rolls real nice too. So I'm a big fan of this one. And let's look at the little trailer. Can't forget that guy. This actually is really functional. The box on this is plastic, but everything else, the fender and everything that's black basically, you see, is metal on this thing. So it's really sweet. The screw jack kind of works like that. It doesn't kind of go up and down. Greenlight's funny. They do that in 1/64 scale, and they made that little screw mechanism. But this one, they just did this way, molded a piece of plastic, so it gets the job done. But the markings on the trailer are really good too. Got your Magnum, and on the back it's kind of cool. Let's assemble it real quick. So it's got the hinge. It's got a little rod there. Get your wheels. So I'll do that, and it kind of snaps in. Yeah, do it real quick so it doesn't hurt it. There it goes. So kind of just snaps in real quick. There's a little holder for it up top, and then there's the back of the unit there. So it shows the stabilizers. They're in their up position on the trailer. There's one of them right there. Those don't move, but yeah. And then the top is really sweet and rotates. These guys rotate and spin, and they turn, so you can angle them and stuff. Then you kind of work as a team on either side. And they even have the little bulb detail, so there's a little lens, and they do like a little chrome bulb. That's all metal. And there's the back again, and it's got the little tampo there to go to the website. It's a little heavy little thing. Look, it's got a big old axle there, and it's got really good tire detail too. Looks like one of those little wagon steel wheels that they use nowadays on those little utility trailers. So yeah, put it down. Let's go do that real quick. We'll take her down. Yep. And we'll drive the old rig over. And we'll put her up. There we go. Get it all situated. Well, we got a 13 Ram. That's a 5500 series truck. Basically a chassis cab truck with a bed. Real nice detail. And then we have a little trailer made by Magnum. So, good little stuff. And this is what the box looks like. So that's first gear modern boxes. They have that plastic. They don't do the styrofoam really anymore. Unless you buy like an older casting, sometimes I'll still use it. And another thing about this is another funny little time in Chrysler's history. This is about that 13 time frame. So they're off of the Daimler, but it's right before Fiat. So kind of another interesting thing. Before they switched. Again, here's the first gear number. You can flip it around, you know what I'm doing. So United Rentals, guys. You can find them, maybe walk into the store or maybe give them a call. Sometimes you'll find them online. But who knows if we'll see this casting again. But I tell you what, if you come across one, pick it up. I highly recommend this one. It's a real good one. 1/34 scale Ram 5500 heavy duty. Till next time.